The third item on a section page is a call to action block. This video is an introduction to the basics. Call to action blocks can be purple or gold, and they are used to display important links. They're a bit more complicated than some other blocks, and there are some specific rules to follow regarding them. If you choose a purple call to action block, you must display 4 links. If you choose a gold call to action block, you may have 3 or 4 links. If you choose to have 2 call to action blocks on your section page, the first one must be purple and the second one must be gold. You'll also notice that purple and gold call to action blocks look different from each other. This is because they are built using different elements and are used for different purposes. Purple call to action blocks are made up of link blocks and include no additional text or features other than the link itself. These are good for simple content. Gold call to action blocks are more dimensional and allow extra text to be displayed with the link. They are made up of editorial blocks, which allow you to add a title and write a short description along with the desired link. To learn how to create each of the different call to action blocks, watch the separate tutorials.